Welcome students, 10th standard, lesson number 2, quadratic equations, and we are going to study practice set 2.6. And example number 1 is the product denoting the numbers of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Now let us solve this example. Let Pragati's present age is equal to x years. Therefore, her age 2 years ago is equal to x minus 2 years. Her age 3 years hence is equal to x plus 3 years. Now product of these 2 years is 84. Therefore we write according to given condition x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now x into x square, x into 3 plus 3x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 84. Therefore we have x square plus 3x minus 2x is x, and this minus 6 and this will be minus 84. Therefore x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. The number is minus 90. Split up this minus 90 into two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 90 and sum is a plus 1. Coefficient of x is a 1, therefore their sum should be plus 1. Such numbers are plus 10 and minus 9. So plus 10 into minus 9 is minus 90, and the 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Therefore split up this middle term as x square, split up middle term as 10x minus 9x. We got 10x minus 9x is equal to x. Minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore take x common, in bracket x plus 10. Here take minus 9 common, in bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But value x is equal to minus 10 cannot be possible because age cannot be negative. But age cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. Therefore x not equal to minus 10. Therefore x is equal to 9. Therefore Pragati's present age is equal to 9 years. Pragati's present age is equal to 9 years. Question number 2. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now let us solve. Let the two consecutive even natural numbers are x and x plus 2. We know that even natural number, consecutive even natural number differ by 2. Now the condition is the square of the sum of square of these two numbers is 244. Therefore, according to given condition, x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. Therefore, x square plus x point this bracket, x square plus 2 into x into 2, that is 4x plus 2 square is a 4 is equal to 244. Therefore, x square plus x square will be 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x, and this will be minus 240 is equal to 0. Divide both the sides of equation by 2. Therefore, it will be x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Here we write dividing by 2. Now let us find the two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 120 and sum is a 2. So the numbers are 12 and minus 10. 12 into minus 10, that will be minus 120, and 12 minus 10 will be here 2. Therefore, we write this term 2x as minus 10x plus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. Take x common from these two terms. In bracket it will be x minus 10. Take 12 common, so in bracket x minus 10. Therefore, x minus 10 bracket will be common, and in another bracket x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10, or x is equal to minus 12. But natural number is not minus. But minus 12 is not natural number. Therefore, x not equal to minus 12. Therefore, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. And x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Therefore, required even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Question number 4. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. The sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. Let Kishore's present age is equal to x years. Therefore, Vivek's present age is equal to x plus 5 years. Now multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of number. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of their ages will be 1/x and 1/x plus 5, and sum of multiplicative inverse is 1/6. Therefore, according to given condition, one upon x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Take cross multiplication. X plus 5 into 1, that is x plus 5, plus x into 1, that is x, upon x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Therefore, x plus x, 2x plus 5 upon multiply by x into x square plus x into 5x is equal to 1/6. Now cross multiplication. 6 in bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x into 1, and 6 into 2x plus 5. Therefore 6 into 2x, that is 12x, plus 6 into 5, 30, is equal to x square plus 5x. Write this equation in standard form. In standard form, it will be x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square, this will be minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now find two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 30 and sum is a minus 10. So numbers are minus 10 and 3. Multiplication is minus 30 and minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Therefore, x square minus this x square plus 3x minus 10x minus 30 is equal to 0. Take x common, x in bracket x plus 3 minus 10 in bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 common bracket, in another bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 10, but age cannot be negative. But age cannot be negative. Therefore x not equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 10. So the value of x is 10. So Kishore's present age is equal to 10 years and Vivek's present age x plus 5 means 10 plus 5, 15 years. So we write Kishore's present age is equal to 10 years. Vivek's present age is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. Example number 7. Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream and back in 8 hours. If the speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour, find the speed of water current. Suppose this is a river and water flows in this direction and the speed of water is x km per hour. In the direction of water it is called as a downstream, and in the opposite direction of water current it is called upstream. Now here is a boat and speed of boat is 12 km per hour. If this boat moves in the direction of water current, that is in the direction of downstream, then the speed will become this 12 plus x. Speed of boat will become 12 plus x km per hour. And if this boat moves in the direction of upstream, that is in the opposite direction of water current, then its speed will be 12 minus x km per hour. And total time required to travel is 8 hours. So time required to travel in the direction of water current, that is downstream, and then time required to travel in the direction of opposite direction, that is upstream, is equal to 8 hours. Now let us solve this example. Let x km per hour be the speed of water current Now we have given speed of boat in still water. In still water is equal to here 12 km per hour. Now speed of boat in downstream means in the direction of water current will be 12 plus x km per hour. And speed of boat in upstream means in the opposite direction of water current will be 12 minus x km per hour. Now we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Therefore, time to travel downstream is equal to downstream and upstream distance is the same, that is 36, and downstream speed is now 12 plus x hours. Time to travel upstream is equal to upstream distance is also 36 km and the speed is 12 minus x hours. And now total time to travel downstream and upstream is given 8 hours. Therefore, according to given condition, 36 upon 12 plus x total time plus 36 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8 hours is total time. Now take cross multiplication. 12 minus x into 36. 36 in bracket 12 minus x plus 36 in bracket 12 plus x upon 12 minus 12 plus x into 12 minus x is equal to 8. Cross multiplication. 12 minus x into 36 and 12 plus x into 36 divided by 12 plus x into 12 minus x is equal to 8. Therefore, here we take 36 common. 36 common. So in bracket it will be 12 minus x plus 12 plus x divided by 12 plus x into 12 minus x. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That is 12 square is a 144 minus x square is equal to 8. Now this x and this x will get cancelled. So what will remain is a 36 into 12 plus 12 is 24 is equal to, now take cross multiplication, 144 minus x square into 8 in bracket 144 minus x square. Divide both the sides by 8. Dividing both sides by 8, we get 24 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 divided by 8. So what will remain here? 144 minus x square. Now we have to find the value of x. 36 into 3 is 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. Therefore, x square is equal to 144 minus 108. 144 minus 108 is 36. Therefore, x square is equal to 36. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus 6. Plus minus 6. But speed cannot be negative. Speed is always negative. Speed is always positive, but speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x not equal to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of water current is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Therefore, we write speed of water current is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Example number 8. Pinto takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Nishu. Together they finish the work in 4 days. Then how many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? There is a Nishu and Pinto. Pinto takes 6 days more to complete a certain work, and if they work together, then their work will complete in 4 days. In how many days would each take to complete that work? If they decided to work alone, how many days will be required to complete for each of them? Now let us solve this example. Let Nishu takes x days to complete the total work alone. Let Nishu takes x days to complete the total work alone. Therefore, total work done by Nishu alone in 1 day is equal to 1 upon x. 1 upon x part of total work will finish Nishu in 1 day. Here we have taken reciprocal of days. Reciprocal of days is work done in 1 day. Now, Pinto takes 6 days more than Nishu. Therefore, Pinto takes x plus 6 days to complete the total work alone Therefore, total work done by pin 2 alone in one day is equal to 1 upon x plus 6. Here the number of days required to complete the total work for pin 2 is x plus 6, and reciprocal of that days is nothing but total work done by pin 2 in one day. Therefore, total work done by both in one day is equal to total work done by Nishu in one day 1 upon x, and total work done by pin 2 in one day 1 upon x. Total work done by both in one day will be sum of their works 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. But here we have given they finish work in 4 days. But they finish together work in 4 days. Therefore, total work done by them in one day is equal to 1 upon 4. Here they require 4 days to complete the work when they work together. So work done by them in one day is also 1 upon 4. Therefore, this work done and this work done is equal. Therefore, according to given condition, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. Cross multiplying x plus 6 is into 1, that will be x plus 6, x into 1, that will be x upon x in bracket x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, x plus x, 2x plus 6 upon multiply inside the bracket x into x, x square, x into 6, 6x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now take cross multiplication. Therefore, 4 in bracket 2x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 6x, x square plus 6x into 1. Therefore, 4 into 2x is 8x, 4 into 6, 24 is equal to x square plus 6x. Therefore, from the quadratic equation, x square plus 6x minus 8x plus minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now find two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 24 and their addition is minus 2. So numbers are minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 into 4 minus 24 and minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x. Therefore x square minus x square plus 4x minus 6x minus 24 is equal to 0. We split up the term minus 2x as 4x minus 6x, as you have numbers minus 6 and 4. Therefore we take x common in bracket, x plus 4 and minus 6 in bracket, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 in the first bracket and in bracket second x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 6. But days cannot be negative. But number of days cannot be negative. Therefore x not equal to minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore Nishu takes 6 days and Pintu takes 6 plus 6 days to complete the work, total work alone. Therefore we write Nishu takes 6 days and Pintu takes 12 days to complete total work alone,